Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Rudra, and today you guys I am going to be making a water cycle diagram. Maybe if you've been in my channel for a long time or you don't know, my first ever video was a water cycle video. So we're gonna make a water cycle diagram today. First, let's see how to do it. Let's start. This is our base is a shoebox. This is the box and this is the cap. It's been stick together and this will be our land. We will paint this green and this is our sky. This is a little bush. Now you might wonder how we made it. Well, it can be made from paper, newspaper, or this. This is the shoe paper that is used to give shape to the shoes. It's more convenient because it comes with a shoebox. These mountains have been made with the shoe paper as well. We have colored them brown and we've added cotton on the top to look like snow. We've also made cotton clouds to put on the sky. This is also made out of the shoe paper that will be in the middle, or I don't know, in the side, and we've colored it orange. We got some little toy animals to make the beautiful scenery. And a lot of tiny little trees to show transpiration. And a giant tree. This is going to be our diagram. But if this is a water cycle, where is the water? Where's the rain? Where's all the snow coming from? That's from these. The little pistachio shells. We've colored them all light. Let's start sticking and coloring and labeling this diagram. Okay, so now I'm going to apply glue to stick my mountain. Okay, let's see if our little mountain is going to stick. Stick the corners of the mountain. Perfect. Now let's get the next mountain. Now let's stick the smaller mountain. And let's stick the corners like the last one. And there we go. We're done. We're going to paste the sun right here. So let's paste our own sun. Done. Now let's stick the snow because it wasn't sticked onto the mountain. Let's see if it sticks. And these are our little clouds. Now let's get the other cloud and stick it. Stick the other cloud. Now let's stick this tree. Now we're going to paint this much area green as its grass or land. The main part about this video is water, isn't it? Well, where is all the water? We have the water right here. This blue paint is going to be our water. Let's color it. I'm making a river and ocean by coloring it all blue. We've done the river, now let's do the other river. No, sorry, ocean. As you can see, the ocean is much darker than the river. Now we're done with the ocean and river. Now we're going to start little trees here and there. Okay, so now we're going to be sticking some little trees. We have sticked a giant tree, but let's stick some tiny ones. It'll be harder to stick these because they're very small, but let's try. Here's our first tree, our second, our third, and our fourth. And of course, our beautiful giant tree. Our sun, our clouds, our beautiful mountains, and our sky. And of course, the river and our ocean. Now I'm going to be making groundwater. Let's color the water below the ground as well as blue. Our water cycle model is ready. We also added in a little cow and a horse as decoration. Now we have a water cycle model, but do we know what is this model and what is this all about? Let's learn. The first part of the water cycle are the mountains. The mountain snow starts melting in summer season or hot temperature and forms water. When all this water is collected, it forms rivers, oceans, seas, and lakes. Then this water starts evaporating and forms water vapor. Now, what is evaporation? Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or oceans and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake or ocean and goes into the air. This forms water vapor, and after that condensation happens. Condensation is when the air near the surface is heated, then rises. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming cloud. This process is called condensation. Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and make water fall back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, or snow. And this precipitation to us is known as rain. This water falls back as rain into the oceans, rivers, lakes, and seas. This water also gets absorbed by the soil. This process is known as percolation, and this forms groundwater. But just like how water evaporates and starts condensation, even trees and plants do transpiration. Water transpirates from trees and forms water vapor, just like how evaporation happens. This process is known as the water cycle. This process happens over and over every day. This water is used in many ways for us. For drinking, bathing, watering our plants, cooking food, and much more. So, as you know, this water cycle and this water is very important to us. Without it, we cannot live. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.